Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you had a great weekend, a great week, a work week, whatever. I am here to show you a video just about some, glute workouts, some leg workouts that you can use using only cables. Because sometimes you're at the gym and you don't really know what to do, and the cable machine's there, and here's some things you can try out. So I hope you guys like it. If you want more, let me know. So first off, we're going to start off with the glute kickbacks. 5 sets of 20. I know what you're thinking. Dang girl, that's a lot. But trust me, you want that show, you got to do these. If it's a little bit too much for you to start off, you can always do like 4 sets of 15. That's always good to start. That's how I started. I did 4 sets of 15 when I first began, and then I always like to do my last set like all out as much as I can. So then gradually I just built up to it being 5 sets of 20, because usually when you're working out and you're on the 4th set, you're so tired. But I also find that when I get the 5th set in, I'm just like, I'm working my muscles, I'm stretching them, getting that muscle working. I'm challenging the muscle in a sense, if you know what I mean. So that's why I like to do 5 sets. I like to challenge the muscle, get it really working, and build those glutes. Also here, you'll see that I'm only moving my leg. Try not to move your whole body. Keep your back as straight as you can, like a board, so that the muscles that need to be worked are being worked. You want your booty to work. You don't want your back muscles to be straining. So that's why you got to keep that back straight. Now we're going to do the standing leg raises, 4 sets of 15. Here it's the same concept as the kickbacks, okay? You want to lean forward a little bit to make sure that back is straight and that you're only working the muscle that you need to work, which is your glutes and where your hip dips are. Now, hip dips, I have them, but I do find that when I work out and I do this type of exercise that works the sides of them, that they go down a little bit, but they're still there. Like my hips, you can see that my hips are forming. So I think they work. I like them. Everyone is different. Everyone has a different shape. But I will say, if you want to go ahead and give this a try, hopefully it works for you too. But hip dips are cute. Okay, it's the human body. It is what it is. You want to work them out so you can be more balanced physically, then go right ahead. The cable deadlifts, I did 4 sets of 15. To tell you the truth, these weren't bad. This is actually my first time doing them. I felt like you could get a good workout with this. Maybe I didn't put enough weight on it. I felt the stretch, but I didn't feel it the next day to where it's like, yeah, I worked it out pretty good, like how I would using, dumbbells. So I don't think I would do these again, but I do see other women use it and it works just fine for them. I just personally like dumbbells in each hand, like 35s in each hand, and I think that suffices. Now my favorite, cable squats. I did 4 sets of 15. I love cable squats. I feel like you could really get a good work, like you feel in your hamstrings, you feel in your quads, you feel in your glutes. I like to push my toes up to the sky, a little bit off the ground even, and really engage my glutes through pushing my heels in the ground, if that makes any sense. Like I really try to power my way up and be a little bit explosive, but these are great. I love them. And here I did a little it was kind of like my 5 sets, so I guess you could call it a superset. I did bouncing squats until failure. I think I counted to like 20 seconds or 30 seconds just to give myself, you know, see where I ended and see if I can do it better next time or do it longer. And same thing, push my heels through the floor, push my toes up, and you're gonna feel that burn, girl. Another favorite of mine, cable fire hydrants. I did 4 sets of 25. I feel like these really do work. Like you feel it exactly where they need to be targeting. And I like how I did this, even though at first I kind of, you'll see in the next clip, I was kind of slacking, because you want to raise your leg up as far as you can. And sometimes when we work out, we don't really realize that we're not putting in as much effort. And I find that effort in your workouts can change your gains, can change your results. It matters. So even though, you know, you're working out, like here I feel it, but I could be doing better, which you'll see. Like at the end it clicks. And then for the rest of my sets I didn't show it, but I really drove my knee up at the end, which is what you want to do. And it should be coming up where I'm really gonna start driving my knee up, I think after this, because it was burning, y'all. It was burning. So I think I'm trying to, right there, boom. You see how much higher it is? And right there I was like, that's the effort I should have been putting in. So I was like, all right, for the next sets I'm gonna do that. Obviously I didn't want to make the video too long, just doing, you know, same thing, but yeah. Now we're gonna go into the reverse lunges. These are great for your hamstrings and for your quads. I think these are awesome. I just did 4 sets of 15 on each leg. And you can do it either way. You can do all 15 on one leg first and all 15 on the next leg, and then do it like that, or you can do alternating ones. So I just kept my back straight, my head straight, try not to really look down too much, and once again driving my heels up and pushing with my glutes. that's the end of this workout, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends. Any suggestions, I would love to hear them. As you can see, this was squeezing my stomach so freaking tight. I hate these leggings, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Come back.